Hi, Mike. This is Viola with Generational Leads Atlanta, Georgia. It was a pleasure speaking with you the other day, and thanks for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple. Because there are a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers, and it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help at the end of this, then give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlink, and citations. So first off, your website, you have a good looking website here. All right, I love the information that you got down here. You got some good photos. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you mostly on content. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in carpet cleaning cumming, Georgia, Google's goal is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,890 words on it. And you guys' website here is sitting at about approximately 335, upwards to 400. So the first thing is you definitely want to get your content up on this homepage to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And that's going to be the best way to go when it comes to that. Let's take a look at this company over here. This is one of your competitors, Citrus Fresh. Let's take a look at their homepage. As you can see, they don't have 1,500 words on their homepage. They do have a little bit more than you guys, but not 1,500. So once you guys get your homepage up to 1,500, then you'll see that you guys will start beating them out when it comes to the content on the homepage. Now, other than that, another thing I wanted to go over with you on this homepage here is all these great pictures. See this hardworking man here. If we click to save the image, you want to make sure that you save these images as keywords that's going to help you get ranked with Google, because Google also acknowledges the photos as content. Now, after that, you're going to want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, you're going to get a lot more power from another Steam or another carpet company linking to you rather than Pizza Hut linking to you, because obviously Google knows you don't sell pizza for a living. So I use this tool. I'll go over there now. I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it basically, I pay about I pay about $1,000 a month for this, but it gives you such valuable data about what's going on in the back of the websites. As you can see, it says here that you guys have 9 websites linking to you, which is giving you guys an organic traffic of none at the moment. I mean, it's nothing to scoff at. There's so many other carpet cleaning companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone have any referring domains linking to them. So you guys are you're doing pretty much better than them already. You're already a step ahead. Let's take a look at the competitor in the same tool here called Ahrefs. Oops, lost them in the tool. Not a problem. We'll make this a little tutorial. Let's get them in there, and boom. So they have 185 referring domains linking back to them, which is giving them organic traffic of 1,600 customers per month that's visiting their site. So in order for you guys to beat them, you have to get at least another 200 to 225 referring domains linking back to you guys in order to beat them out. And the best way to do that is you click in here and you just take a look at all of the different sites that they're using. So whatever websites are linking for them are going to link for you too. So just go down this list and you can either create an account with these companies, or you could just go and click contact us and just ask for a link. But imagine if you can beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic. And back to their overview, they're getting organic traffic of 1,600 customers a month, approximately 18,000 in revenue every month. I mean, imagine how much more money you can make if you guys are averaging this per month. I mean, that's a ton of business, right? So that's why it's so important to do this. Now, once again, let's go back to Google here. Now, when somebody clicks on carpet cleaning in Cumming, Georgia, and they're ready to buy, the first call, or they call the first carpet cleaning company that shows up and seems trustworthy. And you guys want that to be you, because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, when you take a look at this, people always skip the ads, whether it be because of ad blockers or bad experiences, but that's the first thing you always see are the ads. The area where you want to rank yourself is in the local map pack section right here. And in order to get here, basically, it's anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. I mean, these are the most common ones. But the best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in and put yourself in the exact same directories and then add a bunch more on top. So, for example, the carpet cleaning company has 74 directories. Put yourself in these same 74 directories and then add about 74 more. So that way you can beat them on this home page when it comes to ranking in the map pack. So that's about all I have for you. The first thing, just to do a quick recap, you want to get your homepage content upwards to 1,500 to 2,000 words. Don't forget to add some keywords to these pages, to these pictures. You also want to get more websites linking back to you. So you want to get this upwards to 200 to 225 more websites linking to you. And last but not least, you want to get in as many directories as you can, whether that's Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, etc. And you want to beat out your competition. So if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just send me back some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information for you. However, if you want some help doing it, you could give us a call. Our phone number is 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.